Alright guys, welcome back. Hope you're all doing wonderfully, and today I'm excited because this is my first ever, and first on the channel obviously, if it's my first ever. This is the Lunar Beauty Mystery Box. This is the Venus. I bombed. I forgot about launch time, totally missed it, was too late for Mars, but lucky to grab my hands on Venus. So I'm excited about that. It didn't really have Lunar Beauty anywhere except for the shipping label, which obviously I'm not going to show you, so we're just going to dive on in. Nothing great to see here, but this is perfect. So this is so exciting for me. I love Manny. I love what he does, and I love his makeup. Now, I don't know exactly how much is in here. I know there's supposed to be 2 exclusives that are just for the boxes, and other than that, no clue pretty much. So let's get started by opening things up. First thing I see is wraps like this, really cute. Unwrap it, and okay, exciting because I don't have this. This is the Moon Prism blush, and I've wanted this for a while. I scoped it out a little bit, didn't grab it, and I'm super happy that I didn't for this reason. So let's open her up. So it has 6 shades. It looks like some are satins and some are bronze shades. I have a lot of blush on right now, so unfortunately I'm not going to be able to show you exactly what that looks like, but I think what I'll do is just a full Lunar Beauty look where I use I do have his palettes. I have Facelift, I have 2 of the Eclipses, I think it is, and then whatever's in here, guys. So the next thing I see is a very large face brush. So it's a heavy duty handle. Wow, that's really pretty, and I love his brushes. So I actually am obsessed with his eye brushes. I have all of them, and I have that little bag that he has. It's somewhere. It's my traveling bag. So I have the LBE2, the, let me get a little closer, LBF, so face 1, the LB eye brush 3. This is a great inner corner and brow flat brush, and this is the LBE4. Oh, I have something I don't have. This is the LBE6. This is great for the under the eye blowout. And then I don't have this yet. This is a dual-sided brush. It doesn't have LBE, but I did see this came out when he came out with Outer Dimensions. This was part of it. So we got this in here. The next thing I see is the Lunar Beauty Sponge. I've also heard great things about this by Ali Dawson, who I love to watch. She did say this comes in pink and black, so I am happy that I got this. By the way, her video is like the only thing I saw on this, and this is after ordering it. So the next thing I see here, I think, is the highlighter, and I am excited. Okay, so we're going to open it up. Really cute packaging, Manny. Love it. Obsessed. So, let's see. How does one open this without ruining the box? Okay. Got it. Got it. Sorry, guys. Bear with me a second. While we're talking, guys, if you haven't checked out about 3 videos ago, I let you guys know a little bit about my life and my disease and the things I'm battling, and how much, like, just a follow if you enjoy what I do here can do for me in the future, and updates on what's going on. And I would love if you guys would go check that out, but I'm trying to get her open. I'm sorry. So I got the shade, while I'm looking at it, it's Jupiter. Got it. Okay, so this is the color Beautiful. So let's just give it a swipe. Okay, so this is the color, if you guys can see right there, and then this is what it looks like. So I do already have like a lip shade there, but that's the highlighter. So I could definitely use this as like a orange blush topper, or maybe ever so slightly on my cheeks. If not, of course, as I always say, you can always use highlighters as an eyeshadow. It'd be beautiful copper colored eyeshadow, so I'm really happy to have that. This is my first Lunar Beauty highlighter, so that is a win. Let's continue right along. I love the packaging. I'm going to keep that for sure. It's beautiful. So the next thing I see here is also an exclusive. It's a pair of his lashes. I do magnetic lashes because I'm trash right now at regular lashes, but I'm definitely going to keep this just to keep. These are in the shade Flare. How beautiful is this packaging though? This is the obsession. I'm definitely going to just keep this to put on my beauty stand, or where I keep all of my makeup off to the side. So the next thing I see is a palette. Oh no. Oh no. I think this is I'm not positive, but I think this is a palette I already have two of. Yes, it is. Okay, so guys, this is the Eternal Eclipse. I'm going to wrap that back up, and we'll be selling it on my Mercari. If you guys want to contact me, one of you guys wants to contact me here, we can do that as well. Of course, I'm so sad. I want to go buy, like, if it's still going, I'm going to go after this and buy the other one, because the one right under this one had the one from the holidays, like the Halloween one, and I really liked that one. I really love the original one that he let out for the holidays, like the special edition, I forget what it's called right now. And then Strawberry Dreams. So this is the next thing, and although it's got a little bit of it's already opened a little bit, no big deal. This is called Divine. Now, I don't believe this, no, this isn't the shade. So I know that he came out with a special shade as well. This is a gloss. It's a beautiful pink with some shimmer inside. Now, I've heard the best things about his gloss. I'm so excited to try these because I hear that they are just like different than any other gloss out there on the market. So this is what that looks like. You guys can see it in the light. So pink, there you go, with some white reflect glitter. I am absolutely so excited about that. And then I believe this is the new shade. And this is, yes, this is called Mystery. So this was the one that he specifically made for the mystery box. And I'm hyped because I'm just, now I've got two of them. So this, you can see, is more of a gold with some, it looks like iridescent, different color glitter in there. So this is the color Mystery. And it is going to go right here. So if you guys will be able to see the difference between the gold shift and the pink. So super excited about this mystery box. I think it was a great mystery box. Absolutely worth the price. I'm a little bit sad that I got a repeat, which is obviously not his fault. It is a mystery box. Super excited about all the brushes, as his brushes are literally some of my favorite, and I have some pretty high-end brushes. I can't say enough good things about his brushes. Excuse me. Excuse me. I'm definitely going to keep these just because I want to keep them and put them somewhere because they're adorable. Happy to have this when can't you use another beauty blender because mine are always dirty. So excited to have this, even though it's a little bit dark. Can use it for so many different ways, and in the summer it might be a great shade for me and my skin all together. It's beautiful, and the packaging is beautiful, so definitely going to display this as well. And this is something I've been wanting for a while, so I feel like I win all together with that one as well. So yeah, all in all, an amazing box. I think I'm going to go run and look and see if that original box, like the cheapest box, is still there. I wish I'd gotten my hands on the other one. If you got another palette and you want to trade, because I heard that there's different variations even for this box, let me know, because I would do that first before selling. So if you have a different variation, hook your girl up. Maybe you have a double of something and you want to trade, let me know. I am doing a giveaway on my channel as well. You can kind of check out the last video if you don't like who that person is. I'm here about makeup, not the people, although I love Manny as a person. It's just going to be a giveaway of things for me hitting 500, because I really need to hit this goal in order to help, like, with things with my health. If you go back and watch a couple videos, 3 videos ago, you'll kind of understand. So all you have to do is follow my Instagram, which is underneath of here. Go under any one of my pictures, tell me like where you're from, something about yourself, and that you're interested in entering. In a month's time, or when I hit 500 followers, I'm going to do the giveaway. So I am excited. I do have an extra palette, honestly, that I could give away, so that might end up there. I mean, this is my third, so I have one for me, an extra one already, and then this one. So maybe you'll see that in there as well. So thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me. Make sure you are taking good care of yourself, checking in with yourself. I'm sending you guys all light and love. Just as a heads up, please like and subscribe. As I keep saying, it really means a lot to me and my health. I do want to make this my full-time thing, and with my health, it's something that I'm going to have to do for at least a few months. My business that I own was severely hit and ruined by COVID in the entertainment industry, and I am a single mama just trying to get on my feet and spread love. I'm a life coach, so we talk a lot about things that are good for the inside while we're making the outside beautiful. Can't focus on one without the other. So sending you guys all love. Manny, if you ever come across this, I am a huge fan of yours. I love what you do, and keep shining. You are a bright star, you and your best friend. So sending you guys all light and love. Thank you for watching and sharing your time with me. Consider liking and subscribing. And as I always say, I will see you guys on the next one. Bye guys. Be safe.